Hi guys, in this video we will see how to approve a pull request and merge it. In the last demo we saw that how to create a PR, automatic PR. If you want to check it, please check the video in the link I've shared. In that video I have shown how we can create an automatic pull request when we push something to the main branch. So continuing on the same, now if you look at the code, I'll just explain it again. So we have this our repository which has a .github folder, which contains workflows, and in workflows we have a YAML file where we describe the actions on push of anything on main branch. It triggers a job which runs on Ubuntu platform, and as part of the steps it checks out the code, it finds out the git commit data, it just adds that data to author file, and that's the difference, that's the commit, that's the change that we want to capture as part of the pull request that we create, and that's it. So we create the pull request, and now what we want is the PR that we have created has to be merged. So going to add some more configuration for the same. I will name it as approve pull request, and this is something that we can get from this action. I'm just going to write the repository from where we can get it. Request action. So this is the action that we want to execute, and of course this will have to be executed again with a token. So what we want to do here is we know that we need a token here. I'm just going to say GitHub token, and I'll pass it down the same token that we have here. And a number. So the number would be we can say we might need to give some name here to this step, because this is what we want to capture. So we'll say this is ID is demo ID demo 1, and I will say here steps dot demo 1 dot outputs dot pull request number. So this is the expression that that we want to give, and yeah, so that's the approval. Now let's see what we want to give for the merge step. So we'll say merge pull request, and it will use similar action Julian Gruber, and we'll say merge pull request action at version 1, and then with GitHub token as the variable. It's a secrets dot GitHub token and number. So we'll give the same. I'm just copying whatever we wrote above, so it's the same step, the pull request number, and we'll give a method saying just squash it. Yeah, so this is something that we want to do now. Let's see the demo. I am going to commit this code now, edit changes for auto pull and merge request. I'll just commit it, and that's it. I'm going to push this change. Okay, I have just pushed the commit for the changes. Let's see what's happening in the branch actions. So there's a failure here. It says something failed. Let's see what happened. Approve pull request. Cannot approve your own pull request. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's fix this. Saw that I faced an error saying that you can't approve a pull request of your own, which makes sense. So absolutely. So what we need to do is we need to create a secret in the repository. So I'm going to sports app repository, going to settings, and if we go down here, I go to actions, and there is something called new repository secret. So if you read about it, it says encrypted secrets allow you to store sensitive information like access tokens. Now, I need to store access token for a user who is gonna approve it, which should be definitely different from the one who raised the PR. So I'm going to create one. I'll just pause the video and add it, and then I'll join back. Okay, so I have created a secret here, approver demo, and now I'm going to go back to my code, and I will just update this part where I'll say, hey, the approver is this guy, and that's it. I'll just commit this change, and I will push this branch, and let's see what happens once we push it. I'll go back to the repository actions, and it's going to run the demo. Okay, the PR is raised. It's going to approve and merge, and everything looks all good. Let's see what happened here. Let's go to closed, and we see that there was 11 seconds ago there was a PR that was merged automatically. That's it, guys. That's the demo. Thank you.